Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to explore and break the top 4 ethical hacking myths that people believe. Let's address each myth one by one. Number 1. It disrupts the business. Ethical hacking is ideal for simulating a real-world attack. It is not necessary to be disruptive or harmful to the business. Number 2. A vulnerability scan is enough. A vulnerability scan is enough for many security professionals. But for businesses that want more thorough testing, a pen test is recommended, as it uses software techniques in addition to human-driven methods to exploit a much broader range of security weaknesses. Number 3. Penetration testers will compromise sensitive data. A trusted penetration testing and hacking service should tell you the same thing I'm telling you now. It is vital you should only work with a company that you can trust. Look for businesses that are CREST approved and have years of experience. Number 4. Penetration tests are just for big giants. As per the exclusive data breach investigation report stated by Verizon, more than 60% of attacks or breaches hit small organizations. Hence, pen testing is for everyone who wants to keep secure their digital assets. At RSK Cybersecurity, we believe in only trust and transparency while providing end-to-end cybersecurity solutions. You can check our industry accreditations on our website, rsk-cybersecurity.com.